थोड़ा इस तरफ चलते हैं कि एस्पायरिंग एक्टर्स जो आपको बहुत टाइम से फॉलो करते हुए आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, जो प्रॉबेबली शायद एक टियर 2 या टियर 3 के किसी गांव में बैठे होंगे, ठीक है, और आपका शो देखते हैं, बट दे ऑल्सो वांट टू बी एन एक्टर, राइट, लाइक यू. तो उनके लिए व्हाट शुड बी द जर्नी और व्हाट शुड क्या अप्रोच उनको लेना चाहिए, क्या अप्रोच उनको लेना चाहिए, हाउ दे कैन लैंड एन ऑडिशन एंड लैंड अ रोल.
Okay, first I want to say that कलाकार हमेशा स्ट्रगलर होता है. Are you ready to be a struggler? Doesn't matter how much money or whatever you have, you are a struggler. If you are an artist, you are a struggler. I am a struggler. Having said that, मेरे ख्याल से पहले तो ये टटोलिए कि आपको एक्टर क्यों बनना है. क्या आपको इसलिए बनना है क्योंकि आपको ऐसा लगता है ईजी मनी है? नहीं है. क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है फेम है? किस्मत से है. It's just like sitting on a roulette table. Sometimes in this industry, it's 20% of talent and 80% hustling and networking. So ये सारी चीज़ें मद्देनज़र रखते हुए I think work on your craft. Secondly, I feel that the reason to come here should not be money and fame.
करेक्ट. सो नेटवर्किंग, आपने बोला नेटवर्किंग कितना बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है और नेटवर्किंग करे तो करे कैसे?
भाई ये सवाल तो मैं भी अपने For 16 years or 15 years that I've been in this industry, you will not believe it, and I have no ego in going up to a very big director and say, I love your work and I'd love to work with you. I can still do that. Magar believe me, in my entire career, it has never worked. Never. I have always got work with auditions and with a proper channel कि कहाँ कोई ढूंढ रहा था और फिर ऐसा हुआ फिर वैसा हुआ. Never in my entire life have I gone to someone and said I'd love to work with you and that person has ever given me work.
But do you think there are a few prices to pay when you're opinionated?
Yeah.
Do you feel like that is something that...
For sure. मुझे अभी शायद वक्त बदल गया होगा, बट आई रिमेंबर एक बहुत बड़ी मैनेजमेंट फर्म मुझे हैंडल करती थी और उनकी जो हेड थी वो मुझसे बात किया एंड शी रियली लाइक मी. हमारा बहुत बढ़िया कॉन्वर्सेशन चला 1-1.5 घंटा. फिर जाते जाते उन्होंने मुझसे बोला कि यू हैव एवरीथिंग इन यू, बट आई जस्ट माई रिक्वेस्ट टू यू, इफ आई मेक यू मीट अ बिग प्रोड्यूसर, डोंट टॉक टू मच, जस्ट फ्लटर योर आईलिड्स एंड लुक वेरी वल्नरेबल and malleable. So don't look very strong because people get intimidated by that. So I was thinking to myself, wow, it is just such a shame.
Such a shame.
People still feel intimidated by intelligent and strong women, unfortunately.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है क्या कि मतलब?
I remember meeting, I'm not going to, maybe when I write my memoir, when I'm like 80 years old. I'm going to reveal the name. I remember walking into a producer's office.
अच्छा, ये वो वाला मोमेंट है, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगी.
हाँ, नाम
हम guess करेंगे. But no, you tell us the
don't guess
story.
it.
Yes.
Why do that?
हाँ.
So I entered this producer's office and we had a conversation and he looked at my pictures. I said I was this, that, blah, 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 blah. And then, he said, after talking to me, you were a very sweet girl, nice, very, come from a nice family, whatever. Have a tea, humne chai vai pi. And he said, you know what? Unfortunately, good girls don't make good heroines.
Oh.
And I was just so confused. And then I had, me being me, I said, I thought only talented ones did. He said, see, that's the problem. That you just think and talk too much. You're like, you're just too cued in. That's very intimidating. And you have to be a little bit more, maybe, I don't know. Coy, mysterious, maybe a little, you must have that tease to look hot.
Right.
I don't know what he meant.
Yeah.
But that was the...
So annoying.
Generally, I say, a man who liberates a woman is liberated himself.
That's true.
So a man who is with a strong woman shows that he himself is very strong.
Yeah.
Otherwise, a very weak man or a weak person can't be with a strong woman.
Yeah, because you want to feel strong, so you want to be around people who you
are
think
so
are weak.
secure in yourself that you can handle strength around.
Yeah.
So it also speaks for the person who's talking.
That's true.